Since arc sine or inverse sine is continuous, we can move the limit. Inverse sine or arc sine is continuous. So we can move the limit. Finding this limit is equivalent to finding the inverse sine of the limit of 1 minus square root of x divided by 1 minus x as x approaches 1. You all need to compute this limit. Then substitute the value for the parentheses here. To find the limit of 1 minus square root of x divided by 1 minus x as x approaches 1, when we substitute 1, we get 1 minus 1 divided by 1 minus 1, or 0 divided by 0, which is indeterminate. It means that we have to simplify this expression. We're going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate. Multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate. What do we get? We get the limit of 1 minus square root of x times 1 plus square root of x over 1 minus x times 1 plus square root of x as x approaches 1. Let us simplify. This becomes the limit of 1 minus x divided by 1 minus x times 1 plus square root of x as x approaches 1. Just note that 1 minus square root of x times 1 plus square root of x, it is 1 times 1 plus 1 times square root of x minus square root of x minus square root of x times square root of x. These two, they get cancelled out. You get 1 minus square root of x times square root of x is just x. Now you can simplify these two expressions. You can cancel out 1 minus x, 1 minus x. It becomes limit of 1 divided by 1 plus square root of x, x approaches 1. Since 1 belongs to the domain of this function, this becomes 1 over 1 plus square root of 1, or a half. We're not done yet. We need to take this a half and substitute that here. So this limit is equal to the arc sine of a half, which is equal to pi over 6. This is our final answer. Remember that since the sine of pi over 6 is equal to a half, pi over 6 is the answer to inverse sine of